So why the rotation away from the high-flying tech sector, and what does it tell us about investor sentiment? For some answers, we want to bring in Michelle Perry-Higgins. She's a principal at California Financial Advisors. She ranked number 9 on the second annual CNBC Top Financial Advisor 100 list. Michelle, congrats and welcome.
Thank you. Thanks for having me. This isn't as fun as being with you in the studio, but thanks for having me, Kelly.
I know. We'll accept it in the meantime. So
Yeah.
Let's just start with how investors should be positioned for 2020 overall. I know you guys really focus on no-load mutual funds, trying to kind of stay defensive. I mean, we hear a lot of these same themes coming up, but what would be kind of your number one piece of advice for investors, especially as we head into election or to the election itself?
Kelly, I would say the number one advice I would have for investors right now is to stay away from what I call the anxiety rotation. We have been living in 2020 with just massive anxiety around everything. And I feel investors tend to often want to move their portfolios around and move from sector to sector, try to market time, as we saw in and out of the market in March. I'm seeing folks trying to time, do they want to buy Trump? Do they want to buy Biden? That is not what they should be doing right now. As we go into the next few months, actually in the next 60 days, look at your portfolio right now and say, okay, is my portfolio ready today? Have I pruned what I need to prune? Do I have a portfolio that's ready for the long term? If you believe in the long-term viability, you should not be doing this anxiety rotation. Presidents do not drive the stock market. Biden's not going to drive the stock market. Trump's not going to drive the stock market. What drives the stock market, as we're seeing, stimulus packages, low interest rates, economic fundamentals, that's what drives the stock market. So if we could take away the political noise and have investors really focus on hunkering down over the next few weeks and ignore that noise, they will get through this time.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.